Here we have a 2008 Jeep Compass, front wheel drive, 14-inch alloy wheels, great rubber, good tires, one imperfection there, nothing too major. It also has fog lamps, wraparound headlights. And like they backed into something there. Like they backed into something there. There's the back seat cushion. And I do apologize for the quality of the video. I've been really struggling getting pictures of this up online. It's had power windows and locks. All the windows and locks works. Outside mirror, they're powered. Automatic, again, front wheel drive, heat and air conditioning blows cold. Had that worked on. Let's see the mileage on this baby. 131,759. This one, the Jet. Those are easy to pick up from Jeep. Speakers here in the door. It's great. Speakers drop down. You can have a little tailgate party. Oh, check that out. Yeah. So that's what we have here. Selling for wholesale, $29.95. Dealers welcome. Come get them. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video.